Now here's the truth. 2025 could be the year that transforms the semiconductor market entirely. With Nvidia and other big players leading the charge, we're on the brink of a massive shift driven by booming AI demand, game-changing industrial growth, and new economic policies. This is urgent. If you're not paying attention to these semiconductor stocks, you might miss out on one of the biggest market opportunities of the decade. Stick around as we break down why these stocks could skyrocket and how you can position yourself before it's too late. Nvidia, ticker NVDA. Stock continues to capture investors' attention heading into 2025, fueled by robust and growing demand for its revolutionary data center and AI technologies, with analysts projecting up to a 42% increase in share value on the high end. Nvidia's true potential might even exceed these estimates. This projection comes at a time when AI continues to integrate into nearly every industry, from healthcare to automotive, creating unprecedented demand for computing power. Nvidia, as a leader in this space, stands to benefit tremendously. Nvidia's recent advancements in GPU technology and AI-specific hardware have solidified its dominance in the AI computing space. These innovations power complex algorithms for machine learning, autonomous vehicles, and even the metaverse. Yes, that's still a thing. As the backbone of such futuristic technologies, Nvidia's products are not just meeting demand, they're defining it. But let's ask the big question. Could the stock still have room to grow after its meteoric rise? Here's why the answer might be yes. AI adoption is still in its infancy, with applications ranging from personalized medicine to real-time language translation gaining traction globally. This growth ensures that Nvidia's GPUs and AI chips remain indispensable. But here's the exciting part. The industrial semiconductor sector, long plagued by disruptions, is poised for a major comeback in 2025. Tailwinds such as inventory normalization and favorable economic policies suggest we're on the verge of a significant rebound. Globally, semiconductor end market inventory challenges have mostly been resolved, clearing the way for smoother production cycles and consistent supply chains. On top of that, the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is expected to adjust interest rates downward in 2025, setting the stage for heightened economic activity in the U.S. Such economic stimulus is likely to drive systemic demand for semiconductor technologies across industries like telecommunications, automotive, and consumer electronics. Here's a closer look at some key players to watch in this evolving market. First on our list is analog devices. Ticker ADI is one to keep an eye on. After navigating a challenging 2024 marked by business contraction, the company is now signaling strong potential for growth in 2025. Recent performance trends show improvement, narrowing revenue declines, and maintaining healthy margins, which keeps its cash flow stable and its balance sheet robust. The ability to weather a tough year and emerge stronger highlights the resilience of Analog Devices. Analog Devices' leadership team exudes cautious optimism. The CEO reports steady demand increases across all key markets, while the CFO emphasizes a favorable trajectory for growth throughout the year. Analysts are particularly excited about the company's guidance for the first quarter of 2025, which came in stronger than expected. But why does this matter to investors? A low-bar consensus means Analog Devices has plenty of room to outperform market expectations. Two sectors driving this growth are 5G and the Internet of Things, IoT. The expansion of 5G networks combined with the increasing integration of AI into IoT devices could spark exponential growth by mid-2025. Analog Devices is well positioned to provide the critical hardware needed to support these advancements. From smart cities to connected healthcare, the potential applications are endless. This company's products don't just enable technological innovation, they define its trajectory. So, is Analog Devices a stock to add to your watch list? But before we proceed, here's a question. If you could only invest in one semiconductor stock for the next 5 years, which one would it be and why? Comment your thoughts below. Second on our list is Semtech, ticker SMTC, is already making waves, showing solid recovery in 2024 and setting the stage for continued success next year. In its fiscal third quarter results, the company posted nearly 18% revenue growth, along with impressive profitability. Even better, the guidance for the fourth quarter suggests growth will accelerate, with revenue gains potentially hitting close to 30% year over year. What's driving this momentum? Semtech is seeing strength across all end markets, with its data center segment standing out. Sequential growth in this segment surged 58%, and demand is expected to remain robust throughout 2025. Additionally, Semtech's strong positioning in industrial semiconductor markets makes it a key player to watch. Semtech's focus on connectivity solutions for IoT has put it in the driver's seat as the demand for smarter, more integrated devices grows. Think about the rapid evolution of smart homes, where devices seamlessly interact with each other. Semtech's products are the unseen heroes making these connections possible. With analysts projecting high double-digit growth rates for 2025, Semtech appears well-positioned to outperform expectations. But here's the big question. Will its momentum continue as the industrial semiconductor rebound picks up pace? Third, Microchip Technology, ticker MCHP, presents an interesting case. While the company is still navigating an inventory correction phase and restructuring its manufacturing operations, it's clear that brighter days are ahead. A notable development for 2025 includes the planned closure of an underutilized production line, a move that will lead to significant cost savings by year-end. Despite these adjustments, Microchip Technology's remaining facilities are more than capable of meeting market demand, especially as inventory normalization continues. By mid-2025, the company is expected to hit an inflection point, aligning with a broader industry rebound. For the back half of the year, analysts forecast nearly 20% top-line growth, signaling a return to strength. Microchip Technology's deep integration into automotive systems positions it as a leader in this high-growth area. As EVs and autonomous vehicles become mainstream, demand for its microcontrollers and embedded systems will likely soar. This isn't just a rebound story, it's a reinvention. Here's something to ponder. Could Microchip Technology's operational efficiency and forward-thinking strategy position it as a standout performer in the semiconductor sector? Next on our list is Globalfoundries, ticker GFS, has been outperforming expectations and is on track for a strong 2025. The company's fiscal Q3 results showcased resilience with a narrowing revenue decline and a favorable outlook for sequential growth. Strength across its portfolio, especially driven by new design wins, underscores its potential to capitalize on industry tailwinds. Looking ahead, Globalfoundries is expected to revert to growth in fiscal first quarter of year 2025, with analysts predicting roughly 10% revenue growth for the year. However, given the rising demand for IoT, cloud connectivity, and industrial applications, these estimates might be conservative. Globalfoundries has a unique advantage with its focus on specialized semiconductor manufacturing, which supports high-performance computing and advanced data processing needs. Could this company become the secret weapon for investors looking for stable growth? And last on the list is onsemi, ticker ON, is another stock poised for growth thanks to its leadership in silicon carbide (SiC) semiconductor technology. Known for their durability and high-performance capabilities in extreme conditions, SiC semiconductors are gaining traction in key industries such as electric vehicles, EVs, and solar power. While onsemi experienced a contraction of nearly 20% in the third quarter of 2024, its performance exceeded market expectations. Moreover, the company reported sequential improvement in 3 of its 4 operating segments, with full recovery anticipated in 2025. Management's guidance suggests sequential revenue growth will accelerate throughout the year, ultimately reaching high single-digit gains. onsemi's innovations align perfectly with the green energy revolution. As governments worldwide push for renewable energy adoption, the demand for SiC-based semiconductors is expected to skyrocket. But here's a question for you. Will its innovative products solidify its position as a market leader? This table paints a vivid picture of the semiconductor landscape heading into 2025. Analog Devices shines with a $108 billion market cap and a solid dividend yield of 1.3%, showing its stability and commitment to shareholders. Meanwhile, Semtech, despite its smaller market cap of $5 billion, demonstrates resilience with strong potential for growth. Microchip Technology impresses with a 50% gross margin and a $7.63 billion revenue, bolstered by a 3% dividend yield, making it a standout for income-focused investors. Globalfoundries holds steady with $7.39 billion in revenue and a $25 billion market cap, showcasing its role as a foundational player in specialized semiconductors. Finally, onsemi takes the lead in profitability with a $4.03 EPS and a $28 billion market cap, fueled by its innovations in silicon carbide technology. These numbers aren't just stats. They reveal the strengths and opportunities of these semiconductor giants, making them all worthy contenders for your 2025 watch list. As we look toward 2025, it's clear that the semiconductor sector is undergoing a transformative period. Companies like Nvidia, Analog Devices, Semtech, Microchip Technology, Globalfoundries, and onsemi are well positioned to benefit from the combination of economic recovery, technological advancements, and growing market demand. Each of these stocks brings unique strengths and opportunities to the table, making them worth considering for any forward-thinking investor. Before we wrap up, here's something to ponder. What's the one stock you think could redefine the entire market in 2025? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Simple Investing Secrets for more insights into the world of stocks and financial tools. And remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.